offline waiver. Now, this is something that a lot of the gym owners use when they don't have an access to an online waiver. So, let's say a person is coming in for a trial class, and before they do the trial, you need them to sign off on a sheet of paper that says that they release you of all claims arising from accidents or whatever the case may be. You get them to sign a waiver, a paper waiver. If you don't have an online waiver, you can just check off this offline waiver. At that point, once you check this off, you will see that you won't have to create an online waiver. So if you want to stick with your offline waiver, check it off, scroll down, and make sure you hit the update button. As you see, once I click on the update button, it's showing me that a waiver has been signed, which means a paper copy of a waiver for a trial has been signed already.